my channel. It's your girl, Tierra Nicole. And I'm about to do another unboxing. So, the first thing I got from NEIMAN Marcus. Today, I needed a new card holder because currently, I have way too many cards. So this particular card holder was $3.95, and it's a YSL monogram flat credit card holder. Oops, it came in this little dust bag. This is Saint Laurent. And this is how it looks. So I have 5 different slots to put my cards. It also has a little zipper piece. You could put something in here. And then they have a flap. You open it. You can put more stuff in here as well. Ooh. Scratch that. Anyway, so this is what I got. I definitely needed this because my card holder that I have now is hanging on. It's just hanging on. I keep stuffing more and more cards in there. This is what I'm most excited about. I'm most excited about this. I don't own anything Chanel in my closet. Not even one piece. Not even a Chanel dust bag. Not even a... I got a fake CC brooch, but that's about all. So I treated myself to these luxury tennis shoes. I still got my birthday balloons up. It's part of a birthday gift to myself. It does come with the laces. Just because my ring light is too bright. Oh, there it is. So, comes with this. Also comes with 2 dust bags. Okay. I originally wanted these in the black, but they didn't have any more black, and the guy brought out these, and I was like, I love them. I love them. These are so freaking cute. Look at them. And I love the little CC on the side. I did get these in a size. I got these in a size 38, which is a USA 8. I'm normally a size 7 or 7.5. And these were $1,050. Yeah. So these how they look. I will try them on for you guys. Yes, what do you guys think? Y'all think I should have went with the all black, or y'all like this colorway? Because this one is, I'm not sure if it's picking up on camera, but it has white, and this is kind of like a soft gray, kind of like an off-white with the gold CC and then the black laces. I'm not really an all black tennis shoe type of girl, so for me, I feel like I could pair this with more stuff in my wardrobe. So, what y'all think? Y'all think these worth $1,000? Y'all think this should have been my first Chanel purchase? Because I'm not purchasing a Chanel bag at the time. Because Chanel bag's like $5,000. No, let me get these for $1,000. And I might pack these on my vacation I'm going to. So, I don't know. Should you pack designer tennis shoes on vacation? Or should you just pack old shoes? Okay guys, so this concludes my luxury unboxing. This was actually a spontaneous purchase. Let me know down below the last time you made a spontaneous purchase, and what was it? Like, how much did it cost you? Because today it was given $1,400, $1,500 that I did not plan to spend. But in my defense, it is my birthday month and I treated myself. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.